everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the Easy English channel. This is the place where learning English becomes clear, practical, and genuinely enjoyable. I'm Olivia, thrilled to be here with all of you today.
And I'm Steve, equally delighted to connect with our amazing listeners. We truly appreciate you joining us. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just important, but also incredibly exciting and full of possibilities. We're talking all about the future.
Yes, absolutely. We're going to unlock the secrets to speaking about your plans, your spur-of-the-moment decisions, and even your grandest dreams, all using simple, everyday English. It's going to be super helpful, I promise.
Before we jump in, a quick but heartfelt thank you. If you're enjoying what you hear on this podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to the Easy English channel. Give this episode a like, and seriously, share it with a friend who's also learning English. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating content.
All right, let's kick things off with a simple, real-time question to get us thinking. Steve, right now, as soon as we finish this recording, what will you do? What's your immediate plan?
That's a good question. And I hadn't thought about it until just this second. But now that you ask, I think I will definitely make myself a nice hot cup of coffee. I suddenly feel like I need one.
Perfect example. That was brilliant. You instinctively used will because you made that decision just now, in this very moment. That's exactly how we use will, for those quick, spontaneous decisions that pop into your head.
Exactly. I didn't plan to make coffee before you asked me. It wasn't something on my calendar. I just decided right now. Yeah, coffee sounds good. It's like you open the fridge and think, oh, I will have an apple. It's a fresh decision.
Exactly. No prior planning needed. We also use will for predictions. These are things you think will happen, but you're not absolutely certain, or you don't have concrete evidence. For instance, you might say, I think it will rain tomorrow. Or, don't worry, you will understand this lesson by the end of the podcast.
The really great news about will is how incredibly easy it is grammatically. I will, you will, he will, she will, we will, they will. The verb will stays the same for every single subject. And the main verb that follows also stays in its base form. It's I will go, not I will goes.
Absolutely. No complicated conjugations, which is a big relief for English learners. And for questions, we simply change the word order. Will you join us tomorrow? And for the negative form, it's will not, which we almost always shorten in spoken English to won't. So you'd say, I won't be late, instead of I will not be late. Sounds much more natural.
Right. I won't be late, or they won't forget their homework. It's super common. So, will for quick decisions and predictions. Got it. Now, let's shift gears and talk about plans. These are things you decided before now, things you've thought about and perhaps prepared for.
For that, we use going to. It's a bit different because it signals that the decision or intention was made earlier. Olivia, what are your plans for this upcoming weekend? Have you made any decisions?
Oh, absolutely, I do. I'm really looking forward to it. I am going to visit my parents. We actually planned it out last week, discussing dates and times. I've even bought a train ticket already.
See, that's a perfect example. You decided earlier, you've made arrangements, so you correctly say, I am going to visit. Remember, with going to, we always need the correct form of the verb to be, am, is, or are, before going to. So it's I am going to, he is going to, they are going to.
Exactly. You wouldn't just say, he going to study. It sounds incomplete. It has to be, he is going to study, or they are going to travel next month. Going to really shows that there's an intention, a plan, or some level of preparation behind the action. It's not spontaneous, it's thought out.
That's a crucial distinction. Going to implies a commitment, even if it's a small one. Now, let's connect both will and going to something even bigger, our dreams, those large aspirations we have for the future.
This is where it gets really interesting. For example, someone might say, "One day I will start my own business." That's a big dream, a strong belief in themselves and their future potential. It's an aspiration, a vision. They're predicting it, hoping for it.
Right, will captures that hopeful, somewhat open-ended dream. But dreams, to become reality, often need action, right? So, the very next step, once that dream starts to solidify, could be expressed with going to. For example, they might then say, "Next month, I am going to take a business course to learn the basics."
Exactly. Will expresses that hopeful belief, that vision. Going to shows a real, tangible plan, a step you're actively taking towards that vision. It's the difference between "I will learn Spanish one day" and "next semester, I am going to enroll in a Spanish class." The second one implies a concrete step.
Such an important distinction for setting goals. If your big dream is, "I will speak English fluently," which is a fantastic goal, your first actionable step, your concrete plan, might be, "Tomorrow, I am going to practice speaking for 20 minutes with a language partner."
Absolutely. Those small, consistent steps are incredibly powerful. The future isn't just something that happens to us, it's something we actively build, day by day, decision by decision, and plan by plan. Understanding when to use will and going to helps you express that journey clearly.
So, let's quickly review the core ideas. We use will for spontaneous, quick decisions made at the moment of speaking, and also for predictions about the future that might be based on opinion or general belief. It's simple. "I will call you later," if you just thought of it.
And we use going to for plans and intentions that you've already thought about and decided on before the moment of speaking. These often involve some form of preparation. For example, "I am going to meet my friend for dinner," because you planned it yesterday.
And don't forget those helpful time words. They really anchor your sentences in time and make your future plans crystal clear. Words like tomorrow, tonight, next week, next month, or next year all help specify when these actions will or are going to happen.
Exactly. They add so much clarity. Now it's your turn, our wonderful listeners. We want you to practice. Write a comment below and tell us, what are you going to do tomorrow? And what is one big dream you have for your future using will?
Try using both will and going to in your comments. We love reading them and seeing your progress. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Easy English channel today.
Keep learning, keep planning, and always remember, the future truly is yours to imagine and to create.
Until next time, from Olivia and Steve, goodbye.